umutima mwiza ubona nta ribi nta kibazo yarajana n'abasura batera story baryibiha baryituzi kiragurutse ku kandi barabanza barasharinga duke bafite hakuno asangiye duke duhari banamo n'utunyobwa cyane ukubita utunyobwa wirire hakuno twasenkani banaguze muri karitsiye bakadusharinga mutima mwizere gaburiya ni mugenzi w'Imana rero mu buzima buraho busanzwe ndiya n'umwana mu bakire hakuno atangira kurya umunyenga mu kagare k'umwana hano atinze
Can't find any taxis here.
Hano nta taxi wahabona.
Street.
Impaka ku muhanda piriyo.
There, Yaman.
Yaman bimeze bit. Rikaritsi.
I don't get why they are looking at me weirdly.
Ndi bari abari kureba ibiki. Kobwa mwiza muri karitsiye batazi.
Like a wildling or something?
Are you always like this?
Sete ko bumeze gutya.
What, like a wildling?
I got it just now. I guess you just learned this word, so you were trying to use it in sentences and practice, but the sentences are formed of 2 words or so. You have to improve yourself with it.
Uburyo ukoresha amagambo yawe uburyo uvuga mugomba kugira ikintu wisubura uburyo uvugamo ibintu.
Another one.
Kwigendera muri za karitsiye umusore atuye mudu.
To make him wild.
Ukuntu atuye kurari gukata muri go byoro ugakata muri go byoro ugakata handi.
Right?
Ours. There's nothing called mine in our lives.
Ubuzima nta kintu ngira cyitwa icyaje kiba ari icyacu nje nabari turasangira byose.
I understand, am I right?
Ndabyumva.